Good morning, YouTubers. Here's another cheap bastard tip for you. For those, some people would cut that zip tie off and throw it away. Not this cheap bastard. You get a small, tiny knife with a skinny blade. You bend this back and there's a little tab in there. You can work your knife in there. Sure you can. Gotta watch you don't cut yourself. Alright, then once you get it worked in there, you can start pulling this right out like nobody's business. And you can reuse that again. A cheap bastard success. I got glue balls on my table from my glue gun. And these expensive plugs are going back in my junk drawer. And everybody should have a junk drawer 2 or 3 or 4. And I got a vast assortment of stuff in mine. Yeah. You never know when you need one of those. Or some fly paper. You got some flies in the house. What don't I have in here? Oh, those are shelf pegs. All kinds of crap. God bless the tubers.